Hello everyone, today we're talking about how to get free coins in Dreame application. Look of this. For my mobile devices, this application Dreame++ is already installed, and this application allowed you to generate free coins for your account. How it's work is very simple. Enter amount of coins as you want. Okay, I enter this number, press next, and now as you can see our coins is already generated for our account. So way to complete of this process. After finish, your account will be open, and now as you can see everything is work. I get free coins in Dreame application. This Dreame++ application works for Android or iOS devices, but how to get this application for your mobile devices? Go to comment section, find my pinned comment with another video where link is this comment section. I will show you step-by-step tutorial how to install this Dreame++ application for your mobile devices. Enjoy and thank you for watching.